carpets and more, keeping you at the forefront of home design.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Wynn, and I'd like to talk to you today about the evolution of fireplaces. If you think back to the late 60s and the early 70s, and you imagine those Swiss chalet ski lodges, you saw a lot of this type of design. There was no hearth, there was no mantle, it was a rock wall. So that's what we've come back to. We've come full circle in fireplaces when you're dealing with a modern or a rustic style of design. If you have that old fireplace, maybe you have flagstone or slate, the difference between that one and what we're seeing today is the grout line. Yeah, the grout line. Basically non-existent now. Used to be big, huge grout line. How can you fix that if you have an old one? Color it darker, re-grout it so it blends right in and your eye can't even see it. I'm Suzanne Wynn, and I think this fireplace is smoking hot.